Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out this book. Beto O'Rourke's got a new book, and it says, "We've got to try." So talking about how the fight for voting rights makes everything else possible. If you know Beto, he ran for president before. Unfortunately, he didn't make it, and then he ran again for governor here in Texas, and didn't. He got close, but didn't quite make it either. But this is his book. I have yet to read it, but you can see it's got good words and big words, easy to read. It's going to be probably 209 pages or so. So very cool. So give this thing a read. Everybody should read it. Oh, it's got his picture on the side. If you like the way he looks, you can put this on the side there and everyone will get to see it. So very cool. So I've heard about it and only heard good things. So pick this up. Thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.